What is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. My name is Kristian Quincosa, and welcome back to another cool video. I say it in every video, so gotta keep the trend going. Today's video is going to be about what to offer as an agency, and how can you separate yourself from every single other agency out there. And by the way, for the record, this is exactly what we offer in our agency. We've been running it for about 4 years now, and by we, I mean me. Been running it for about 4 years now successfully, and my job is to tell you exactly what I offer and how I differentiate myself from every other agency, and how you guys could do the same exact thing. So let's jump on in. So what to offer today? I'm going to be going over 1 through 5. We got 5 core offers that we take care of throughout the entire process. Everything from ads management, which is what everybody focuses on. Hey, yeah, we just click the buttons. That's all we do. From ads management all the way to email, text, follow-up, content, all this stuff. So I'm going to tell you guys how to do it. And then if you guys stick to the end, I'm going to tell you the exact tool that I use to do all of this in a very easy fashion. So let's jump into it. Number 1 is simple. If I could just switch the screen. If you guys see me swiping, I'm trying to switch the screen. So let's switch the screen here. There we go. Ads management. Oh no, you guys got the next one. So ads management. What do you got? You got Google, Facebook, IG, YouTube, TikTok. There's other ones. There's Bing. There's Pinterest. Everybody offers ads management. So if you just talk to people and you say, hey, we're going to manage your ads and do it better than the next guy, it's going to be a little bit tough because you guys, I think my camera's a little high here. Let me move this real quick. Let's see if that worked. All right. I think that worked. Anyways, you're going to sound like everybody else. Everybody else only does ads. They only run the ads. They, oh, yeah, I'm the best at Facebook. I'm the best at, Google. I'm the best at Facebook. I'm the best at Instagram. I'm the best at all these different things. But this isn't going to get you far because learning how to run advertisements isn't too tough. The tough part about advertisements is scaling. So how do you take an account from 10K a month in ad spend to 100K a month in ad spend, and you do it profitably? That's the hard part of running advertisements. That's the hardest thing in advertisements. This part right here, doing that while maintaining profit. So you just knowing how to run ads isn't going to get the job done, because you're the same as the next guy that's calling them, and that's not going to get you any deals. So although this is great that you know how to do this, and the more you have to offer, the better. And I'm not telling you, hey, if you're a kick-ass at Google, you could become really successful as a Google Ads agency, just running straight Google Ads and only focusing on Google Ads. Now, if you want to grow, if you want to expand, I'm not telling you that you have to learn Facebook and Instagram. I'm not telling you that you have to learn YouTube, which is probably going to be similar to Google. I'm not telling you that you need to learn TikTok, but you can hire people that know these things and bring them onto your team and then offer that service. You typically want to vet those people, make sure that they come from credible sources, and make sure that they actually do good work. But if you only offer Google, and you feel kind of like you're capped out. Hey, everybody's always asking me for TikTok ads. Everybody's always asking me for YouTube. All these things that you may not know. Try to venture out and find people that know it. Either partner with them or you can hire them to run those accounts for you. So in our case, we take care of these 4. We know Google, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. That's our bread and butter. That's what we do. We're trying to figure out the TikTok side, but we're not the best at it right now. We will be eventually. So, like I said, this is important, but it can't be the only thing that you guys offer. What we offer, along with ads management, is you cannot be, God bless me, you cannot be just a media buyer. For those of you who don't know what media buyer is, it's a fancy word for people who run ads. You guys buy media on these platforms. That's what we're doing. We're spending money on these platforms and we're buying media. That's what we're doing. You can't just be a media buyer in the agency space. You need to be a marketer. And I'll do a different video on the differences between the two. But the main difference is a media buyer knows how to run ads. That's all they know how to do. They know how to set everything up. They know how to run the ads, everything. So they could be given a formula and be able to implement that formula. Now, a marketer knows how to run the ads. They know what to say in the ads to get people to click. They know what the landing pages are supposed to look like. They know what the back end is supposed to look like. They know how to create a full campaign that doesn't only start and finish with the advertisements, but continues through the journey of the client being, or the lead becoming a client. So don't focus on being a media buyer. Focus on being a marketer, and a well-rounded marketer that knows about everything that has to do with marketing. How can we write really good VSLs? How can we have really good optimized landing pages that are converting at a high rate? So with that being said, second thing that we offer is advertisement scripts. Who knows better than us on what to say in the advertisements? What gets the clicks? What gets the people to submit? What gets the people to submit their information? Who knows better than us when we're reading all the data? We know, well, our cost per click is a little too high. Well, maybe our ad needs to change a little bit. No one is going to know better than us. That's why we need to be marketers. So we offer advertisement scripts. Hey, what's your goal? What's your offer? What are you trying to do here? Okay, well, let's write this, and this script. And then I'm going to write plus coaching here. We coach them on creating the actual videos with their cell phones. They don't need the fancy camera. They don't need the lights. They don't need the nice setup. They don't need the microphone. All they need is their phone to create really nice ads, or really good ads that convert at a high rate. So what do? We write the scripts for them, and we actually coach them on creating the content. The second thing that we do is, or the third rather, is we build the landing pages for them. Because they're going to come to us and they're going to say, a small business is going to come, hey, well, I have my website. Can we just run ads straight to there? And you're going to be like, oh, well, if you don't know how to build landing pages, you're going to say, well, actually we could do something called Facebook lead forms. Facebook lead forms. Newsflash, the quality of Facebook lead form leads aren't the best. And it differs between niches. I don't want to say that they're not the best in general, but it differs between niches. So for one niche, it might work really, really well. Let's call it the roofing niche. It might kick ass for the roofing niche, but for the info business, the numbers are bad. Hey, I can't get in contact with them. I don't know what it has to do. It probably has to do with Facebook a little bit, but for some reason, in some niches, it works. You get really low cost per lead and you get really good leads. The insurance space, for example. And in others, you don't. So you don't want this to be your only solution to generating leads outside of a website. Because the website, if you've listened to my previous videos, the websites have About Us pages. They have, the home page, the About Us, the services, the pricing. They have all these different distractions. So if your video is saying free consultation, free consult, if your advertisement is saying this, and I just lost my screen share, give me 1 second. How can we get back to being live? Let's go live again. Connect to the app. There we are. Come on. Bang. We're live. So if your advertisement says free consult, and you're sending them to a website that has all these options, and maybe here it says free consult in the header, but they could get extremely distracted and go read about every single thing that you offer instead of going to get the free consult. So that's why you need to know how to build landing pages and build good landing pages that convert at a high rate so that your lead cost is low, your leads are actually good because they want exactly what you're offering, and they're not getting distracted. So these are all things that we offer. I'm going to keep moving on. This video is not going to be, my usual 20-minute video. Or maybe it is going to be. Who knows? Let's go. Can we go to the next page? Come on, fellas. This is not working out for me today. There we go. The next thing that you guys want to offer, and by the way, remember, if you guys stick to the end, I'm going to tell you the tool that I use for all these things. So email and text message follow-up. You could be really good at generating leads. You could be great at generating leads. But oftentimes you might find yourself, or not oftentimes, but sometimes you might find yourself in a situation where client says, hey, the leads are bad. We're not able to get in contact with them, this, and that. And, the only thing that you have in terms of information from them is anecdotal data. Anecdotal meaning it's just based off of experience, stories. You don't have any hard, true facts, data that you can look at. So what do we do? Well, sometimes leads come in midnight. I didn't spell that right, but ignore it. Midnight. They come in on Friday night. Friday. They come in on Saturday, and they come in on Sunday. And guess what? Sometimes salespeople or sales offices aren't working Friday nights and Saturdays and Sundays. So what do? Well, we take care of email and text follow-up for 7 to 10 days. 7 to 10 days, so that in the event that the leads come in during these times and we're not able to reach out to them instantly, because we know that the time to first touch, we want that to be within 15 to 30 minutes, and you should make that clear in your sales process. If I get you a lead, I need it to be reached out to within 15 to 30 minutes, max 1 hour. Because they're going to be getting served other advertisements. Well, we can't control that because we're not in the sales room. We're not sales managers. We're marketers. So what do? We do as much as we can. So we offer email and text message services for 7 to 10 days. And the goal is to get responses from these leads. Let's say we're offering a free consultation. They submit their information. They don't fill out the calendar. We go ahead and we send them a text. Hey, what day and time works best for you? Through automation. And then we're getting a bunch of responses. Well, then your client says, hey, the leads aren't good. They're not answering the phone. Well, we have a bunch of text messages here that you guys could respond to of people telling you exactly what day and time to call them. So this is going to be important. For you guys to add value to the client and increase the amount that you charge every single month. So let's go to the next one. And this one's cool. CRM Access. CRM is Customer Relations Management System. That's what it stands for. CRM. Customer Relation Management. So what does that entail? You have, your contacts list all in one place. You have a pipeline for the sales team. If you guys don't know what a pipeline is, it's essentially a new lead. I'm just giving you an example pipeline. New lead, attempted to contact, booked. We'll call that booked appointment. And we have closed deal, let's just say. And then here you will have all your leads pop up. And then they could move people through the pipeline depending on, obviously, if they answer, if they don't answer, if we're trying to close them, whatever it might be. So you can move them through the sales system. A lot of new businesses, new and small businesses, they don't work with the CRM. They just work on Google Sheets or some type of paper system, right? They have a list of things that they write down. Maybe they write it on a whiteboard. Who knows? So offering a CRM where they could access all their contacts, they could manage a pipeline, have all their sales team in there, and you also be able to manage or visualize and see how many people are new, how many people have been contacted, how many people have booked, and how many people have closed, so that you could have healthy conversations with your client. This adds an extreme amount of value. So, like I said at the beginning, I was going to share with you guys a tool that I use for all of this. And the tool that I use for all of this is called Go High Level. If you guys see any of my other videos, I walk you through the processes. I've built funnels inside Go High Level. I've shown you guys systems. So if you guys haven't seen that, make sure you guys go look at my other videos and go check it out. But every system that I build, all these things, email, text, the pipelines, the landing pages, all of that, I build it in Go High Level. And if you guys want to use my link, I'd be extremely happy about it because I get paid if you guys use my link. So if you guys go to the description, I have a link that says Go High Level free trial. You'll be able to click on that. I believe that you get either 7 to 14 days. If you guys gain value from this video, hit that link down below. You get 7 to 14 days to try it out for free. And I got a bunch of videos showing you guys how to use it, how to add things to it, how to create workflows in it that you could use for your clients. And if you run a business and you're watching this and you're looking to add different things to your marketing, Go High Level is very great, especially if you don't have a CRM, or if you have a CRM that doesn't offer any marketing tools. Go High Level is absolutely killer. That's all I got for you guys on this beautiful Sunday night. I'm going to go watch the rest of this UFC pay-per-view. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Oh, and before you guys go, one more thing. Subscribe. I appreciate you guys. I'll catch you guys on the next video. I post videos like this every single day. Let's rock and roll. Take care, guys.